How to refer to a journal article that has both article number and page range as per the APA 7th edition? Which of the following reference list entries is correct as per the APA style of referencing? The first reference list entry that is written with the article number, or the second entry that is written with the page range? Just pause and think. So the correct answer is the first reference list entry that is written with the article number. In case of articles having article numbers, also known as e-locators, write the word article as capitalized and then the article number. If page numbers are also given, for example, in case of PDFs, then page range may be used for in-text citations, but they will not be written in reference list entry. Got it? Thanks for watching and kindly like if you have learned something new. Share with your similar friends. Subscribe to learn a new nuance every Sunday. Test your learning through an MCQ every Wednesday. And comment about the video and what more you want to learn. If you want to learn more about the nuances of APA 7th edition, then visit view.scholars-help.com. The link is given in the description box. Thanks for watching and happy learning.